Do you think you can not play over here on this part of the grass?
I think I can. Has built a nest in the bush.
A robin has built a nest in our bush?
Yeah, come see for yourself.
Here's the nest. Right in the middle of our backyard where we play all the time, right?
Yeah.
Dude.
It's a big nest. Nope, they haven't put anything in there yet, except a lot of mud.
I think we could be really good and stay away from this nest for the next 2 months until school's over.
You mean they hatch when school's over?
It will take them a little while to learn how to fly.
Could we watch them try to fly?
If you would like to look at the robin eggs and to watch the babies grow up and fly away, we can do that, but you have to remember that this is here and they won't like it if we're playing next to them. Can you stay away from the nest and let the babies grow, or should we take the nest away now so they build somewhere else?
We can stay away.
You can stay away so you can watch the babies grow? Can you do that? Can you leave them alone?
I think I can.
Alright, we have to stay away from this section of the yard.
Okay, we should make a line.
You can play over there.
Out of sticks.
And the line is this railing on the deck. Okay? So you can play over here at your little table. Right?
Before they lay the eggs, we should build them some bird feeders, and then maybe some other birds will come over and be neighbors.
Well, we just got all kinds of activity today in our backyard. What's that, dude?
Hummingbird?
Hummingbird? I must have built that thing in like 2 days. So this morning I came out to walk the dog. The Baggino. And I saw Papa there. A whole bunch of grass in his mouth. And I'm like, oh, he's building a nest somewhere nearby. So I started checking the trees and following him around. And he kept looking at me like, would you just get out of my way? And I'm like, where are you building? I looked in our carport and under the eaves and around my neighbor's house. I'm like, I wonder where he's building it. And then I had to come out and get some juice out of the garage because that's our storage area. And he just bolted right out of my ivy. And I'm just like, what was he doing in there? And I wandered over there, and sure enough, he is building a nest in there, and Mama's already sitting on it. So she's pulling feathers out now and lining the bottom of it. So I can see her over there, but it doesn't show up very well on the vlog. They're building that nest pretty fast. So I think something's going to happen soon. We might get some little blue eggs, and it'll be fun to watch. And the kids will love it, so just have to keep the dude from tearing it apart. What do you got going on there?
I'm going to leave this for the birds.
Oh, that's not pasta for me? A little munchy.
It's leaves for the bird's nest.
Oh, well, I think they're using grass, so.
Ooh, I can get some grass.
Okay. They're not excited or anything, are they? I don't know who's more excited, them or me.